everyone, welcome back to What a Hairstyle. Today we're talking about wedding hairstyles for short hair. Short hair is super cute and can look amazing for a wedding. Whether you're the bride or a guest, we've got easy ideas to make you shine. These styles are simple to do and perfect for any wedding vibe. Let's jump in with our first hairstyle, a soft curly bob. The soft curly bob is so pretty for short hair. Start with clean, dry hair. Use a curling iron to add loose curls all over. Gently brush the curls with your fingers to make them soft. Pin one side back with a sparkly clip for a fancy touch. Spray some hairspray to keep it in place. This style looks sweet and works for any wedding dress. Next up is the sleek side part. This one's super classy and easy. Wash your hair and blow dry it straight. Use a comb to make a deep side part. Smooth your hair with a tiny bit of gel for shine. Tuck one side behind your ear and add a shiny hairpin. This look is perfect for a modern bride or a chic wedding guest. Let's try a braided crown for something fun. Take a small section of hair from one side and make a tight braid. Pull it across the top of your head like a headband. Pin it in place with bobby pins. Do the same on the other side. Fluff the rest of your hair for volume. This style is cute and great for outdoor weddings. Another great option is the twisted updo. Start by teasing the top of your hair for a little height. Take small sections from the sides and twist them back. Pin the twists at the back of your head with bobby pins. Add a flower or pearl clip for a wedding vibe. This updo is simple but looks so elegant for short hair. How about a half up, half down style? This one's a classic. Curl your hair lightly for some bounce. Take the top half of your hair and pull it back. Secure it with a pretty elastic or clip. Let the rest of your hair fall naturally. You can add tiny flowers or beads for extra sparkle. This look is romantic and perfect for any wedding. For a bold look, try the textured pixie. Use a bit of mousse on damp hair and blow dry it with your fingers for a messy vibe. Add some wax to the ends to make it spiky and fun. Pop in a glittery headband or a small tiara for that wedding feel. This style is awesome for brides who want something unique and cool.